Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Sagittarius. Sagittarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay, Sagittarius people, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings, right? So we have... What's happening? We have Nine of Wands and the Star. Sagittarius people, this is your current energy. Okay, you guys are feeling you guys are really fearful about something. Okay, you must have created a lot of stories within your head that, okay, if I'll do something, what is going to be the result, or what is going to be the consequences of that particular thing. Okay, so something is there which is holding you back. Okay, which is holding you back so tightly that you are not able to see what is that you can be free from this energy. Okay, there is a way just behind your back. You can easily throw this wand and just move out from your fear zone. Okay, you can easily move out from this negative zone, negative energy. Okay, this fearful energy. Okay, so you have there is something is stuck in your mind that, okay, if I'll do something in this direction, what what all consequences I have to face. Okay, what if I'll do something, or the results is not as per my expectations, what will I do? So you are just thinking uh, lot of rubbish thing in your head. Okay, you are just doing nothing but thinking a lot, which is making you really sick and tired, and which will eventually will make you sick and tired. Okay, um I'm seeing that there is a way just behind your back. All you need to do is you need to just be fearful. Okay, just do some daring in life, right? Do some daring, and just take just do whatever you want to do. Okay, do what makes you happy, do what makes your heart happy. Okay, just listen to your heart and just do it. Okay, on the other hand, your person's current energy is the Star. Your person is working towards their own growth, your person is working towards their own mental peace, your person is working towards their own healing. Okay, perhaps this person has so many options in their life, perhaps this person is like so stuck with a lot of things in life. Okay, perhaps this person is like so busy, or perhaps this is the person who is like super busy in their life. But yes, whenever they get time, they heal themselves, they do meditation, they do yoga, they do a lot of other stuffs which which gives them mental peace. Okay, so after being so busy person in their life, they are still taking out some time for themselves. Okay, they are in a process, they are learning to love themselves. That's what I'm feeling. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say, that they are learning how to love yourself, how to be with yourself, how they can grow mentally, spiritually. Okay, so they are learning something, they are healing themselves. Okay, right. Now let's see, Sagittarius, what you feel about them and what they feel about you. I told you, this person is like super busy. And this card has just popped out. Eight of Pentacles. So you feel about... So you feel about them, Sagittarius, that this person has, is like so busy. This person is like so hardworking that they don't have time to look behind, look here and there. Okay, they are just continuously working. Perhaps they want to achieve certain level in life, perhaps they want to earn some respect in life, perhaps they want to earn some respect within their family and society, and that's why they are like really putting a lot of hard work in their work. Okay, so you feel that this person doesn't have time to think about any other thing apart from their work. Okay, so you feel them at as somebody who is really hardworking. On the other hand, Sagittarius, your person feels about you that you are being somebody who is like completely silent. Okay, you don't want to take any action towards anything. Okay, perhaps you are being somebody who is just chilling, okay, right now. Perhaps you are being somebody who is ignoring the situations in your life, okay, deliberately. Okay, you are just choosing to ignore people, choosing to ignore things, situations in your life. Okay, I feel that you are not sleeping, you are just pretending to sleep. Okay, because this is your current energy, Nine of Wands. You are just being really really fearful about something in life. And this card is also telling me the same thing. Your person feels about you that you are being a coward. Okay, I'm really sorry to say this thing, but your person feels about you that you are coward. Okay, you are not a warrior. Okay, you want, if you want something in life, you are just you are just being dependent on other people. Okay, you are not somebody who fights for your own right. Okay, you are not somebody uh, who can, who can argue for, or who can, debate for your own benefit. Okay, so they feel that you are somebody who is coward, and who is deliberately choosing to ignore situations, ignore people, ignore some kind of a discussion or debates. Okay, they feel that you are somebody who does not want to take any action, who is not at all interested in them. Okay, yes. Now let's see how you see them and how they see you. Okay, let's take this cards. Justice and Eight of Swords. The Hermit. Okay. So we have a Justice card and Ace of Swords card. So you see them as somebody who is like always who is like somebody, I mean, they are someone who is like always ready to take any action in their life. Okay, they are someone who always ready to learn new things, who is always ready to accept new challenges in life. And with this Justice card, you see them as somebody who is mature. Okay, who knows how to bring balance into their life, who knows how to bring balance into their personal and professional life. Okay, who knows how to deal with people, who know how to entertain people, right? And who also know where they have to cut people out from their life, right? So you see them as somebody who is very well mature. Plus with this Ace of Swords, you feel that they are somebody who put a lot of efforts to create wonders, right? Who is always uh, enthusiastic to take or to start something new in life, right? Okay, on the other hand, your person sees you as somebody with this Hermit card, that, I mean, you are being somebody for them who is not at all taking any action. Okay, so they feel about you that you are in a hermit mode. Okay, you are not doing anything, you are not moving ahead, not I mean, you are not, neither you are moving ahead nor you are moving back. So you are still, you are just standing still, you are not doing anything. You are like, again, with this four of what I told you with this Four of Swords card, again I'm going to repeat my words again, that your person is feels about you that you are deliberately choosing to ignore people. Okay, perhaps there must be people around you, but you are not seeing them, or you don't want to see them. Okay, now let's see how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. Okay, Tower. Okay, Knight of Swords. So with this Tower card, Sagittarius people, you feel in this relationship as this relationship, you feel that this relationship requires you to end something in your life. Okay, perhaps you guys feel pull towards something and towards someone. Perhaps you guys feel pull from your partner that, why are you not taking any action towards me? Why are you ignoring me? Okay, why are you being really very silent and sad? Why are you not communicating with me? So You are feeling some kind of a pull from your person, Sagittarius, that they are like continuously asking you to do something, continuously asking you to end something in your life. Okay, with this Tower moment, I feel that they are asking you to be out from this Nine of Swords, sorry, Wands energy. Okay, because I told you in the beginning that you are being somebody who is very fearful. Okay, so they are asking you to just let go your fear and just start doing something in life, start doing something in this relationship. Okay, so something is asking you to end. I mean, some energies are asking you to, I mean, with this Tower card, some energies are there which you should, end right now. Okay, on the other hand, Nine of Swords, I feel, this is your person. The moment you will end, the moment you will be out from this Nine of Swords, Nine of Wands energy, they will definitely come towards you. They will definitely come towards you, because they are, I feel that they are just trying to, they are just trying to shift their focus from you towards something else. That's why they are working really hard. Okay, that's why they are working towards their own mental peace. Okay, so they are also trying to ignore you. Okay, but they can't because they love you. Okay, so they are asking you to please be out from this energy. Okay, only then they'll help you. Okay, only then they can come towards you. Okay, so they feel that the moment you will be out from this energy, I will definitely come towards you. Okay, I means them, not me. Okay, what is going to be the future potential? Judgment. Judgment card. You need to do a lot of introspection, Sagittarius. You need to talk to yourself. Just follow your heart. Whatever your heart is saying, please follow your heart. Judgment card is saying this thing to me, that you need to follow your heart. Just listen to your intuition. What your intuition says to you, follow that. If you feel that you can't be with this person, just say this thing straight away on their face, that I don't want you. Don't play hide and seek games. Okay, don't play hide and seek games, and don't be a coward in life. Trust. You need to trust your partner, Sagittarius. That's what I'm feeling with this card. You need to trust your partner. Okay, angels are also asking you to do trust, because once you will trust your person, they will definitely come forward to help you. They are surely going to help you. Okay, it's just a matter of your bravery, how brave you are. You need to show your bravery. You need to show your brave side to your partner, right? And I'm sure you will do that. Okay, so Sagittarius people, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Libra with this Justice card. Okay, we have Aquarius in this reading with this Star card. We have Virgo in this reading with this Hermit, right? And yes, some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Knight of Swords and Four of Swords. Some of you could be dealing with another fire sign, okay, with this Nine of Wands and the Tower movement. Okay, some of you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Eight of Pentacles. And yes, sorry, we have Ace of Swords also. Okay, so this is also Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, so Sagittarius people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.